In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install SketchUp, and exactly where to get it safely. We'll start right from the beginning, so even if this is your first time installing design software, you'll be able to follow along. Go ahead and open your web browser of choice, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type SketchUp Download and press Enter. You should see the official SketchUp website at the top of the results. It's important to click the official site so you're downloading a clean, up-to-date version, and not something risky from a third party. Once you're on the official SketchUp page, look for the section that says something like Products or Download. SketchUp offers a few different versions, including a free option and paid plans. Take a moment here to decide which one fits your needs. If you're just getting started or learning, the free or trial version is usually the best way to go. Click the button to start your download or free trial. The site may ask you to create an account or sign in. This usually involves entering your email address and creating a password. Use an email you can easily access, and choose a strong password that you'll remember, since you'll need this account to manage your license and updates later on. After you complete the sign-up or sign-in process, the download should begin automatically. If it doesn't, look for a link that says something like Download Installer and click that. When the installer file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file. On Windows, it will usually be an .exe file, and on Mac, a .dmg file. Your computer may ask for permission to run the installer. Go ahead and allow it. The SketchUp Setup wizard will appear. Take your time and read the prompts. Typically, you'll agree to the license terms, choose an installation location, and then click Install or Next to continue. The installation may take a few minutes. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish or Close, and then find the SketchUp icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Open SketchUp, sign in with the same account you used earlier, and you're ready to start exploring and creating your first 3D models.